Marriage, the one decision where two people promise forever while not knowing who they'll become 5 years later. You call it love, but biologically, it's two chemically high humans making a lifetime deal during emotional intoxication, and that's exactly why most marriages don't fail suddenly, they slowly expire. Let's break it down. What marriage really is, why most fail, and how a few actually work. No fairy tales, just reality in 3 minutes. Part 1, the truth behind marriage. At its core, marriage isn't just a celebration, it's a daily collaboration, a contract where you agree to grow together while life tries to pull you apart. It's not about finding the right person, it's about becoming two people who can survive each other's evolution. You won't always feel in love, you won't always agree, but marriage was never built on feelings, it was built on choices. Choices to stay, to understand, to adapt. And that's what keeps the bond alive when chemistry fades. Part 2, why most marriages fail. Most marriages don't end because of one big betrayal. They die from 1,000 small ignorances, unspoken resentment, unappreciated effort, unhealed arguments. People expect marriage to make them happy, but marriage doesn't create happiness, it amplifies what's already inside of you. If you're lonely, insecure, or broken alone, marriage just makes you lonely, insecure, and broken with company. And the worst part? People marry the idea of someone, not the reality they'll live with daily. They chase chemistry, not compatibility, and then wonder why the spark dies when reality walks in. Part 3, what actually works? A real marriage isn't two halves making a whole, it's two wholes choosing to build something greater together. It works when friendship stays alive through laughter and shared purpose, romance is maintained, not expected, communication becomes a skill, not a weapon, and growth is something both people commit to individually and together. Marriage isn't about avoiding problems, it's about becoming a team strong enough to face them. It's about waking up each day and saying, I choose you, even when it's not easy, even when it's not perfect, because love is a feeling, but marriage is a decision you remake every single day. So before you get married, don't ask, is this my soulmate? Ask, can I grow, fight, and rebuild with this person again and again? And if you're already married, remember, it's not about who you were at the altar, it's about who you choose to become after every storm. If this made sense, welcome to the 1% who actually think. Don't forget to subscribe because here we don't escape reality, we understand it.